I'm Kavita Ralhan. In this video, I'm going to talk about contact grill from the brand Glen, model number SA3031. So let's get started. Now, grill food is something that not only tastes better, but it is also healthier, and that's why it's so much popular these days. So having a grill is a must-have, especially if you're somebody who likes to host parties at home. Now, this is the box, and you can see the product image here. It says 180-degree opening. That means you can use both the sides for grilling. So you can probably do veg, non-veg, you can do multiple snacks, variety of snacks on both the non-stick plates. It also comes with a 2-year warranty and the power is 2000 watts. And here also some features are mentioned, that you can see the stainless steel handle, heavy duty non-stick plates, and you also get an oil collector tray. Now that's a very interesting thing. So this was it about the box. Let me quickly show you the product. This is contact grill from the brand Glen, and as mentioned on the box, here you can see it can open 180-degree. Now generally in other grills you just get this lid and you just have to close the lid, and sometimes while you're making like burgers or panini or many layer sandwiches, then sometimes adjusting the height becomes an issue. But here adjusting the height is not an issue. So for example, if you have made burger or if you have made multi-layered sandwiches, you can easily just keep it here and the grill will adjust the height according to the recipe that you're making. Now here you can see use both the sides for grilling. That means if you want to keep veg snacks over here, you want to keep non-veg snacks over here, you can do that. You can keep multiple tikkis at a time and you don't have to deep fry them. You can cook them on this grill. You can do paneer tikka, soya chap, chicken kebabs, so many recipes you can cook on these non-stick plates. These are heavy duty non-stick plates and it is very easy to clean them also. Once your party is done, once all the snacks is ready, the food is ready, all you have to do, you can take a damp cloth and you can just simply wipe it off and it will be as good as new. And here you can see this good stainless steel handle. It is a cool touch handle, so while the griller is hot, when you want to operate it, close it down and open, you won't feel anything on your fingers will not get burned. Now as far as the LED indicators are concerned, you get these two indicators. One is in red, the other one is green. Now red means that the machine is on, but green means the machine is hot and you can put your recipes here. It is ready to cook your recipes, and this is the thermostat. You can adjust the thermostat. Now sometimes there are some recipes like fish or some other tikkis and all which take longer time to cook. So what you can do, you can keep it like on the gas. When you cook, you have sim, medium, high. The same way is the thermostat. If you want to cook some recipes at sim, you have to keep it here, and as the bar increases, the temperature also increases. So you can do that also. And one more interesting thing that you get is this oil collector tray. So even if you're brushing the recipes with oil and there is some extra oil, that will get collected over here in the oil collector tray, and then you can later on easily remove it. So this was it about Glen Contact Grill. You also get a user guide come warranty card. You can go through this to understand the product in a better manner. You get a 2-year warranty, power is 2000 watts. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Stay tuned in for more.